Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So about x to the power of 4, I need to put about negative number 1. Later that we need to add back positive number 1. So we have the formula in here. So we know that s to the power of 4, that is about s square everything to the power of 2. Number 1, that is about 1 square. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have s square minus number 1 plus multiplied by s square plus 1. And now this one divided by this one, we have number 1, and now we just have like this. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. So if we do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to the s over s squared plus 1 dv, that is about this one. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about s. This one we have arctanx of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one we have the integration, and we have s to the power of 3 over 3 with s squared plus 1. The next one we have negative s over s squared plus 1. And the last one, that is about arctanx of s over s squared plus 1. Now I will consider about this one. So we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. Number 3 I will put outside. So we can do about factorization by s, and we have s squared plus 1. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1, so we still have s. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The next one we have 1 over 2 Ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. And we put about sin here. We know that this integration similar of this integration. And the last one, so we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change by u dx over s squared plus 1 we change by du. The integration of u we have u squared over number 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about arctanx of x. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. We know that negative and negative, we have positive. And we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. Negative with positive, so we have negative. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And we put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.